What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to scan the fingerprint even when the screen is off in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics, and here click on fingerprints. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and here you will see a fingerprint always on button. So if this button is turned off, then turn it back on, and after turning on this button you can scan your fingerprint even when the screen is off. So now you can see my screen is off. Now when I will scan my fingerprint, it will unlock the mobile. So that's how you can scan fingerprint even when the screen is off in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.